I used to think all anybody needs is to chant Hare Krishna and read Prabhupada books. That's it. We don't need anything. We don't need leaders in ISKCON. We don't. That's overall, some philosophy everybody builds. So I used to think like that. And then I was talking to a devotee, and he mentioned this conversation. I was actually shocked. I said, "Can you show me this?" And he went on his mobile and actually showed me the conversation. Same conversation with Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, now we have your books. What do they need for us to preach? We can give you books to anybody. They can read that, that's it. Prabhupada said, no. Because you know the purpose of these books, we should teach these books to public. So Prabhupada has actually given us a service. Now when you take Bhagavatam class, sometimes you may think, oh, what am I doing? Am I just whimsically doing something? No. Prabhupada has actually given us this service. What is the service he has given? To teach his books. A service given to all his disciples.